2 million shopping carts are stolen each year in North America. Lost and damaged shopping carts cost retailers over $800 million per year. Municipal fines related to cart retrieval and storage are a reality for retailers across North America. Who can retailers rely on to solve these issues? Welcome to the future. Welcome to Cartnet. The Cartnet system provides your company with the ability to track and manage your carts from anywhere. Understand cart-specific usage and service history while being able to map and find the shortest route to your cart's location. Cartnet uses a series of methods to track your assets, including Bluetooth, GPS, and more. So when one method isn't available, the other automatically kicks in. This ensures that your carts never get lost. Installation is simple. We discreetly install the tracker on each of your existing carts. We then install a field of sensors on your property. We determine your store geofence. Assets are then digitally assigned to your store. Cartnet is a wireless solution that doesn't require store Wi-Fi to function. There is no need for excavation or cabling, and most importantly, no need for city approvals. In stores where Cartnet is currently being used, it has demonstrated the ability to reduce costs, increase cart recovery, and improve customer experience. From sidewalks to bushes, restaurants to open fields. Just look at where we're finding these carts. Don't let this happen to your brand. The time has come to move your company into the future. It's time to say goodbye to lost carts. Contact Cartnet today.